You might be eligible for a Genius discount at the Cook Hotel and Conference Center at LSU. Sign in to check if a Genius discount is available for your selected dates. Genius discounts at this property are subject to booking dates, stay dates, and other available deals. About this property: comfortable accommodations. The Cook Hotel and Conference Center at LSU in Baton Rouge offers air-conditioned rooms with private bathrooms, tea and coffee makers, and free toiletries. Each room includes a work desk, TV, and wardrobe, ensuring a pleasant stay. Exceptional facilities: guests can enjoy a fitness center, terrace, bar, and a year-round outdoor swimming pool. Additional amenities include a hot tub, lounge, fitness room, and free on-site parking. The property also features a mini-market, business area, an electric vehicle charging station. Prime location, located 8.7 miles from Baton Rouge Metropolitan Airport. The hotel is 1.2 miles from LSU Football and Tiger Stadium. Nearby attractions include Magnolia Mound Plantation and Louisiana State University, each 1.9 miles away. Guests appreciate the convenient location and excellent service. Couples in particular like the location. They rated it 9.9 for a two-person trip.